In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Elevenlabs unusual activity detected issue in just 5 minutes. If you're getting that pesky alert, don't worry. We will walk through a series of simple steps to resolve this problem and get you back on track. First up, if you're using a VPN, it's time to disable it. When a VPN is active, it can sometimes trigger unforeseen security alerts because it might appear as if there are multiple locations accessing your account. So simply turn off the VPN and then reload the Elevenlabs website. This simple step might just do the trick. Next, let's make sure your network connection is stable. An unstable or weak internet connection can cause various connectivity issues, leading to unusual activities being flagged. Double-check your connection to ensure everything is running smoothly. Now, let's move over to your browser, which can be another source of the issue. Open your browser and then head to the Settings menu. You'll typically find this by clicking the 3 dots located at the top right corner of your browser window. Once in the settings, clear your browser cache and cookies. Cached data and old cookies can sometimes conflict with the website, causing it to behave unexpectedly. Clearing these will ensure you're loading a fresh version of the site. If you're still having trouble after those steps, try using a different network. Moving to a different network can help eliminate issues related to the original network or any associated settings. Sometimes the unusual activity alert can be prompted by account limitations. Upgrading to a paid plan might alleviate some of these restrictions and prevent these alerts from occurring, especially if you are a frequent user of Elevenlabs. In addition, make sure you avoid creating multiple free accounts. Having more than one account can often lead to complications or alerts within the system, as it might be looked at as suspicious behavior. Stick to one account to ensure a smooth experience. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, it's time to reach out to Elevenlabs support. Their support team is there to help users like you navigate any technical difficulties and should be able to assist you in finding a resolution. By following these steps, I hope you're able to resolve the unusual activity detected issue with Elevenlabs. Each step is designed to address specific aspects of the problem, from network to browser settings, and should give you the confidence to tackle this message head-on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.